What happened to your leg?
Oh.
They fit together, so the two of you can fly. Seems like you're into that sort of thing.
You're trying to do too much too soon. Great. I can't fly toothless like this.
Give me it. I can straighten it out.
No.
Oops. Here you go.
It's okay. I have a spare back at my hut. I'll take your dragon and be back as soon as I can.
Says the one-legged boy in manacles.
The way those two fly through the air in perfect harmony. It's magical.
You know he only has one leg, right?
Look closer, my one-legged comrade in arms. Want to flip the script? The new leg is slimming.
Not that you need to be slimmed.
Hiccup's so brave. He killed the Red Death. He trained the dragons. He's got the metal leg.
Metal leg? That's what's bothering you? That's where you're going? Metal
No,
leg?
it's everything the leg is attached to.
You just gestured all of me.
Well, most of you. That bit's my handiwork. With a little hiccup flair thrown in. You think it'll do?
I might make a few tweaks.
This way.
You always have to wake me up so early to go fly. Stupid leg.
Be careful. The lightning is attracted to metal, and you two are wearing a lot more of it.
Oh, watch your tail, bud. And I'll watch my leg.
Hiccup, I wouldn't do that if I were... You.
And it's for moments like these that I always carry a spare.
What have you done with Hiccup?
Y'all there, bud? I think I am. And I spoke too soon. Oh, don't worry, bud. I always carry a spare for my spare. And for their finale, they broke my second spare. Leg!
So, if my calculations are correct, and they usually are...
That would mean that our dear Hiccup is on his
Last leg!
Get it? See what we did? It's because of your leg. You don't have any more.
Chapter 5. Hiccup Haddock, missing a leg and a backbone.
Last leg. Don't laugh, Toothless. You're above that. I knew you'd come out. Oh, everything hurts. Even this. You know Gobber made this for me? Give me those. Oh, all right. You do know it's not a chew toy, don't you?
Is this what you want? Oh, do you want this leg? Do you want my leg?
Yeah, go get it. You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, peg leg now carries us to battle against our thread across the sea. Yeah. This leg needs to be filed down. It's pinching me.
Even in death, I am a mere servant to this one-legged dictator with a weak chin.
No idea what you're talking about. Oh, Toothless. One of the benefits of a metal leg, I suppose.
So you ruined all your legs, eh? Every single one?
Well, all but this piece of garbage. Which, let's be honest, can we really call it a leg? I mean... Oh, right. Yeah, of course we can. It's very slimming on you, Gobber. Okay, that one was a little close to the one good leg.
One man, one dragon, one leg versus one working ball and chain. Hiccup can take off his leg. You really think that's gonna hold him?
Hey, look, a delicious rock.
There'll be no gold for this one-legged fool.
Why does he have to have one leg?
Yeah, you couldn't have given old H a break?
Get a brother, get a leg up in this place.
You don't understand.
Not now, fish legs.
It's metal. Leg.
Oh, gotcha.
Hey, where are you guys going?
Absolutely no idea!
Hiccup, did you know that upside down, you actually have a metal arm instead of a metal leg?
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, so this might be a bad time, but I really wanted to say sorry.
Are you deaf, skinny one-legged boy?
Thanks, bud. Toothless! Toothless! Hang on, bud!
That was great.
No! We need weapons. Got one. Let go. What? Call dibs. Now give me. Open the tail with your foot.
I'm opening the tail.
That's my legs, Dad.
We took it from a rider.
The skinny one with the squeaky voice and the metal leg and the tousled brown hair.
Okay, yeah. Well, I was just browsing, so, no problem.
Let's go. Clearly none of these are for sale.
I'm keeping an eye on you, Mr. Night Fury. My good eye.
Wait, are you telling me you have a bad eye?
Wait, are you telling me you have a bad leg? Thought so.
And the weirdness continues.
Ugh. I just wish there was some way to make them leave us alone.
Wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Come on. Oh.
Only outdone by the missing leg trick.
Yeah, that's been done to death. Gotta keep it above the waist these days.
Hiccup. What a show off.
What are you doing? Wait. No! No!
Weren't expecting the old metal leg, were you?
You did say all the metal, right, Hiccup?
What? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What about his leg? That's made of metal.
Not loud.
Put yourself in his shoes.
Shoe.
Ugh.
Astrid.
Woohoo! I'll take that. Wow. What? It's mine. Hiccup willed it to me. He said if anything ever happened to him, the leg was to be bequeathed to one tough nut, Laverne Thorsten.
Oh, you want this? You want it? Oh, I'll give it to you. Come on, say it. Say you want it.
What's wrong with you? It's not his fault Hiccup's gone. Why do you have to be so mean? He's just a baby.
I'm sorry, Tough. I don't know what came over me.
Yeah, I can't say that I'd feel any different in her shoes.
Shoe. Because you... Never mind.
What happened, bud? At least I didn't lose another one.
Just a moment. Something is going on here.
I can explain.
Where is it?
Look, it's just one dragon.
Your leg.
I'm looking for a one-legged Viking and a Night Fury. Tell me where they are!
I'm telling you, he's here, getting a spare leg.
Hiccup, your leg. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Let's just go home.
No! No, you're not! I will take your other leg!
Okay.
Said they broke the mace over a dragon rider's head. You know, the one with the high voice and the one leg.
Wow. Wonder who that could be.
What have we here?
Do your stupid Hiccup impression.
Hello, nice dragon. You can be my friend. My leg fell off.
Gee, Gustav, there must be a simple explanation for you being here. Well, yeah, Hiccup, because I'm awesome. You are awesome, Gustav. Definitely ready to be a dragon rider.
I don't sound like that. And P.S., my leg didn't fall off. Well, what is it, bud? Is it the other dragons?
How far do you think he's gonna get before he realizes?
Hard to say. He seemed pretty committed. First things first. I need something to replace my leg.
Ooh, a leg, you say? I have just the thing.
Ow! Stop loud. What are you...
Just you. There. Trust me, he won't miss it. Thank you, dead body.
I guess I can live with that.
Gonna swim home with your hands tied? Now you can't run either.
I really hope this works.
Says the one-legged boy with no backup.
I like to train with their trainer. Probably has 2 legs and every thigh.
Listen, I've been watching you walk. Lose the limp. No one's gonna marry that.
I have a prosthetic leg.
So have I. And I have a parasitic twin, but you don't see me limping around about it.
That's okay, bud. I like the enthusiasm.
So you're gonna want to avoid words like sword.
Severed leg.
Severed.
Gallbladder.
Or perhaps a leg. What say you, young Hiccup?
Oh, God.
Ooh, tough one. Glad I'm not in your shoe.
Oh, not this again. Just let me out of here.
Who knew that scrawny little one-legged Viking had that in him?
That worked a little better in my mind.
You knew what you were getting into.
Uh-huh, right.
Good game. In your one-legged dreams.
Oh, the leg thing. That's appropriate.